Morning, it's Sunday. If you don't know who we are, my name's Bobby and this is my dad Rich.
Morning. Yeah, like Bobby said, it's Sunday. We're back on the roads. We're not far away from our spot from our last video. If you didn't see it, we come all the way down here. Beautiful day, apart from the canal was frozen, so we didn't actually get to fish. We went for a nice walk to check out a few spots. So today we're going to give it another go. Today's weather, proper overcast with heavy rain, but we're going to give it a go. You never know, it should be, well, I'm hoping so, it'll be a good fishing day today. Plus, from our last video, we bought some really good lures that we hopefully are going to get us a few fish. So, what's the fish that you want to try on those lures, Bobby?
Well, I think I want to try the roach because I caught my last big fish on that.
Yeah, that's true. And plus, I brought a bigger version of it. So hopefully we can get those bigger fish. But plus, I bought that big silly pike, which looks really good, but it's probably bigger than some of the fish I've actually caught. So I might let Bobby try because he has more luck. So hopefully you can tune into our video and actually see us using that lure and maybe even catch a fish. But we're nearly there, so we'll catch up in a bit.
Alright, we're at spot one. As you can tell, it's raining, but looks quite good, so we're gonna hopefully catch something. Right, we didn't get anything out of spot one, but I guess that's fishing, so we're on to our next spot, so hopefully catch and we'll see you there. Okay, this is spot two. So we're just going to have a little go here, and we're going to see if we can catch anything. We spent about 20 to 30 minutes fishing, but we haven't caught anything, but we still got time, so let's hopefully we catch something. Haven't caught anything at the minute, but as you can tell it's quite weedy, but we're going to hopefully carry on, and we've got about an hour left, so hopefully we get some fish. Right, the time has come. Look what Dad's got on.
Let's give it a
How
go.
are you feeling about it?
It's pretty big and it weighs a ton, so let's see if I can get it in the water and see what it's like.
Okay, we've got a bit of an issue. Dad's just chucked it into the bush, so hopefully we can get it out. Still no luck?
Nope, nothing. But there we go. Keep trying. We've got this small one on again.
Yeah, I think the pike was a bit too big.
Yeah, but we've seen a couple of other guys up and down the canal and they haven't had any luck, so it's not just us. So let's see if we can change that.
But we've still got time.
Still definitely got time.
We're just going to stop for some lunch because we haven't had any luck yet, so we'll be back soon.
Right, we're now unfortunately on the way home, soaked wet through. We did have a good day, but yeah, it's just another day that the canal was really nice, but proper muddy because obviously all the rains obviously washed all the mud. I thought that'd be quite good for the fish, but obviously it wasn't. But we had kayakers to deal with today as well, so every spot we went went to, 10 kayakers just burned past, and we moved down and they come back again. Talking about the lures, the big pike lure was like a bomb going in the water, and then winded it in. It's got good movement, but yeah, I'm not feeling very lucky with that one. The medium-sized ones didn't swim very well, to be fair, so I'm not a fan so far. I will try them again, but still my favourites are the little ones. But yeah, so apart from that, at least we got out there today. But what did you think of it today, Bobby?
Well, I'm a bit disappointed we didn't catch anything today, but that's just fishing, so I'm happy we went out.
Yeah, well, we'll plan again like normal. Hopefully another Sunday. It could be a Saturday. So yeah, look forward to the next one, mate.